Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you how to add a link into our frequently asked questions page. So I have the question here, how to link Schoology and PowerSchool gradebooks, and Amanda McDonald had found a walkthrough that would work for this. So I just wanted to show how we're going to use this page. So if I go to the page that it is, I can highlight the entire URL and just copy it. And then when I come to our frequently asked questions page, I can, since it's a walkthrough, highlight link, right click, hit link, and then paste it in there and hit apply. And now that article is linked as a walkthrough. If you find a YouTube video, you can put it in the video links here. Same thing, just copy the URL, highlight the word link, right click, and then insert the link in there. And everybody should be able to see it. So as you have questions, fill them in, and if you have found an answer, please take the time to link in the video or the walkthrough that worked for you. So hopefully we have answers to all the questions that are coming up in one place for everyone.